Reports have revealed one of the periscope telephoto camera of the upcoming Oppo Find X9 Ultra will offer 10x optical zoom. Like the previous generation, the company is expected to offer more powerful zooming capabilities by providing an optional Hasselblad telephoto extender kit. Oppo's Find series manager Zhao has given detail about it. According to him, the idea of a complete telephoto experience begins with something that's already available. As you know, Find X9 Ultra is set to feature an integrated 10x optical zoom telephoto lens developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. This system is designed to capture moments instantly without requiring any additional accessories. He explained most real-life moments are fleeting and users can not be able to depend on external gear. Whether it's sports or distinct portraits, the built-in telephoto aims to deliver detailed output with a refined color tone inspired by Hasselblad imaging. For users who seek higher optical performance, Oppo is also developing an external telephoto kit. This will be positioned as a full-fledged optical system. It will use 16 precision glass elements to improve light intake and overall image clarity. The external module is set to match the finish and design standards of Hasselblad lenses, offering more premium and durable feel. When combined with the phone's internal telephoto camera, especially mid-range zoom lens, this setup is expected to deliver higher levels of image quality.